It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas. This is Panay News Tonight. Here are the top stories of the day. Iloilo City Mayor Jerry P. Treñas appealed to citizens to stay home for 7 days after Region 6 COVID-19 death toll surpassed the 1,000 mark. The Department of Health reported 193 deaths in Iloilo City alone. The Octa Research Group placed the city in the 7th spot among 10 areas outside the National Capital Region with the highest rise in COVID-19 cases. Treñas reiterated that the virus is real and that it can kill and be transmitted easily. The mayor shared that a businessman friend of his, which he declined to name, had passed away recently due to COVID-19. He added that cases have increased so much even health frontliners have been affected. Resorts and other tourism establishments in the province of Iloilo will close beginning this Saturday, May 22 until May 31. Governor Arthur Defensor Jr. signed Executive Order 163 this afternoon. The EO contains the adjusted community quarantine measures for the food service industry and the suspension of operations for tourism, recreation, and accommodation establishments. Recreation and leisure venues include swimming pools, cottages, beaches, playgrounds, game rooms, function rooms, dining halls, food stations, bars, and dance halls. Tourism establishments such as resorts, parks, hotels, motels, inns, apartments, and condotels will also be closed, but they could provide their services to authorized persons outside of their residences, returning overseas Filipinos, and other returning residents. Swimming in public beaches and inland waters will also be prohibited. The Department of Health in Region 6 urged the public to quit or avoid smoking in anticipation of World No Tobacco Day on May 31. In line with the celebration's theme, Commit to Quit, DOH-6 Senior Health Program Officer John Richard Lapascua hopes everyone will avoid smoking, saying that it gives no benefits and is one of the main causes of death. Lapascua cited a 2019 study which related tobacco use to 8 leading diseases which result in mortality. These 8 diseases include pneumonia, hypertensive cardiovascular diseases, diseases of the vascular system, neoplasm, diseases of the respiratory system, renal diseases, diabetes mellitus, and tuberculosis. Lapascua said trained staff members in rural health units are willing to help those trying to quit smoking. RHU personnel will first screen individuals to ascertain the proper interventions to be given, such as referring those with health complications to registered pulmonologists or administering nicotine replacement therapy to severe smokers. And those were tonight's latest headlines. This is your anchor, Elisha Lusaria Pumida. Good evening. For more stories, check our website, www.panaynews.net. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grab the digital copy of Panay News on Press Reader. Read Panay News via the Inquirer Plus app and avail a free 30-day trial. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing.